Local immigration advocates are raising legal concerns tonight about reports of ICE agents detaining people at a Denver courthouse. Now, the Colorado Rapid Response Network says they documented it happening yesterday and that it violates a state law banning civil arrests at courthouses. Now, are federal agents required to follow state law? Who enforces it? A lot of questions to tackle tonight as we begin. And we begin with Denver 7's Claire Lavazorio getting some answers.
In 2020, Governor Jared Polis signed this bill into law, which bans ICE from making civil arrests in and around a courthouse. But incidents this week in downtown Denver are bringing potential violations of this law into question.
The spirit of the law says that we want people to be able to attend court in a safe way without fear.
Immigrant rights advocate Jordan Garcia says that feeling of safety was ripped away outside the Lindsey-Flanigan courthouse Wednesday, when 3 people were detained by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement while heading to court. What type of emotions or feelings has this created within the immigrant community?
We're seeing our immigrant community having fear about what happened, but also, I think, feeling a lot of curiosity similar to me as to what our state will do to protect people who still need to show up to court.
ICE told our partner, the Denver Post, "We are not able to respond to rumors or specifics of routine daily operations for ICE." Associate Dean at Colorado Law School Violetta Chapin explains a law signed by Governor Polis prohibits the federal government from interfering with state proceedings.
ICE is well aware of our state law, I'm sure. They clearly are acting despite that state law.
Chapin sees what happened in downtown Denver as a clear violation of Colorado law. She thinks it could change the way courthouses operate.
I do think that after this particular incident and all the press that it's received, you may see an increase in people both requesting virtual appearances and judges granting that request.
What can people do if they need to go to the courthouse?
So make a plan for who to call if something were to happen, and to think about just being really aware of their surroundings.
The law itself says the Attorney General's office is responsible for enforcement. Advocates like Garcia want to see if our leaders will take that step.
Our public officials, our elected officials, have said that they would like to make sure that these spaces are safe for people to go. And so I think we should keep them accountable to that.
In Denver, Claire Lavazorio, Denver 7.